Hello everybody, it's me, Rachel. In today's video, I am doing something quite exciting, and this is the Besame, like I Love Lucy collab, and this is the Club Babaloo palette that I have, and I'm going to do a tutorial using this. I also have the Powder Compact, which is already very fingerprinty. And then I also got one of the lip colors, and I was gonna like get the whole like box, like the whole set, but then I was like, you know, I really just kind of want to use, I like to collect makeup, but I don't like to just collect it and not use it, so I got stuff that I would like to use before I can't use it anymore, because like this stuff I'm not gonna just throw away once I can't use it anymore. It's definitely a collector's item and will live in the, I can't really see it over here. There is like a, this is like lipsticks that I don't use anymore, but they're like kind of vintagey Estee Lauder type lipsticks. So I'm going to do this. I am going to do an eyeshadow look with this video. If you saw the last video that I did on this palette, it's just basically opening it, talking about it, and telling you about how excited about it, and then there's also a giveaway in that video. So go ahead and watch that if you haven't already watched that, and go ahead and enter the giveaway. It's super fun. It's just kind of a little fun, short, sweet video, because I just like to give back to you guys, or just really just like to give stuff away. It's super fun for me. It's like almost getting a present. I like to give presents. So, without further ado, that was really loud, sorry about that. I am just going to go ahead and prime, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime with my Milani eye primer. This is a very, very good eye primer. Gotta make some space on the table here, because I'm not very close to my mirror. That's better. So, I haven't played with this palette, and there was kind of a every single time I sit down to film, there's just dinglies. And I'm not okay with it. So, this kind of took me a little while to get. It didn't ship for a while. Like I bought it the day that it launched, and then I paid for extra shipping, and then it didn't get to me, and I was totally fine with it. But then I was looking it up like a week later, like what, like where is it coming? Is it like just got lost in the mail? And I've been pretty patient, but then it hadn't shipped even then after a week later, which was kind of odd. And so I contacted Besame, and I was like, what's going on with my palette? And then they're like, you know, and I was like completely like totally just like totally fine with whatever was happening. Obviously it all came to me just fine, but basically I was like, come on, I gave you the money, so you know, I'm just checking up what's going on. And then it was just, they just had a really bad backlog of orders, and stuff just kind of got lost in I'm not really sure what happened, but basically it just was like backlogged orders or something. I don't know if it was, my last name starts with an R, so with that being said, I don't know. I got it here and I'm fine with it. But anyways, so this palette came with a little tiny, actually really cute brush, and it's really soft, so we will use that sometime. So right now I'm going to go in with this big fluffy duo fiber brush, and I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go in with this color right here, and it's called McGillicuddy Roots. And it's just a nice soft, there is basically everything in this palette is matte, because shimmers were not really much of a thing in Lucy's days. I'm going to go ahead and create this look. Just really nice, blended this through. And then I'm going to go in with a nice good blending brush. And I'm going to go in with Ricardo Rose, which is this color here, and place this here in the crease and blend it really. I don't want it to be super precise in the crease, but mostly just be kind of like a blending color transition. This brush is like really scratchy. That's a first. I've had this brush for a while. It's never been this scratchy. Interesting. Okay, go ahead and do the other side. And then I'm going to go in with Lucy's Lilac, which is this beautiful, beautiful lilac shade. And I am going to dip into this and place this on the, pull it into the lid and also have it on the crease and outer corner. I'm going to go in with Mertz's Mauve, which is kind of a darker purple. Not very mauve-y to me, but I'm going to keep it as I'm going to just go with the name that it is. You can see this is the compact box, and the reflection from the mirror from the palette is on it. So okay, now I'm going to go in with Mertz's Mauve, which is this kind of darkish purplyish shade. And I'm going to take the brush that it came with, and I'm going to try to focus this really close to the lash line and then bring it into the crease, just to kind of really give us that nice definition that the women had back then in the corner. So I'm not really going to do much of a wing liner, but we are going to apply lashes. I didn't get the lashes from this set, but because honestly I would just kind of feel kind of sad to use them. I don't know why, but so I just got the ones that I already had here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take McGillicuddy Roots, I don't know why that's hard for me to say, and go ahead and do some brow bone highlighting. And then take a little, so I'm going to take McGillicuddy Roots again and then put a little bit more on our lid to lighten it up a bit, because we don't have any other like shimmers in here. I think this blue has a bit of shimmer in it. Yes, this pale blue, which is called Babaloo, which is a cute name because it's blue, has a little bit of a sheen to it, but that's about it. It's very, very soft satin. I'm going to take this Band Leader Brown and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. I'm going to use the same brush that it came with to do that. I just dusted it off with the purple, but either way, it doesn't matter if it's on your brush anyway. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and conceal, and then we will use the compact to set our concealer. This doesn't have much fallout at all, if any. And I'm very impressed with that because it's mattes, and mattes tend to have fallout in general, so I'm actually very impressed with that. Okay, so here is what the powder compact looks like. It just has Lucy's face on it. Let me wipe it off to see if I can get some of the handprints off, the fingerprints off. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, before I touch it again, let's just try to show you. Here is what it looks like. Nice reflection in there. Has these are actual gems. They're not just like and then the back here is actually not a sticker, it's actually printed on, so that's actually really great quality. And then the inside, a little powder puff. I'm not going to use this, but I'll keep it in here. And then it's just like a nice translucent powder, I guess, to get the hiccups. Oh. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pat this under our eye. And then I have these lashes. I do not know where they are from, but I just thought they were, I think they're like a stacked pair of lashes. Okay, so I applied these lashes and they are way more dramatic than I thought they would be, but we're gonna just play with what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and do some stuff with my face, and I am going to use this contour from this Too Faced palette. And then I'm going to lighten up some of the areas on my face with this compact still. Oh my gosh, these lashes are quite a lot. But I haven't worn lashes in a little while. That's what you get sometimes. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to do blush last, because I'm not sure how it's going to go with the lips. I just want to do the lips first. So I'm going to take this from e.l.f. This is the Novella Noir pencil, and I'm not really sure what shade it's in, but it just seems to be matching this lipstick really well. And then here is the lipstick that I purchased, and it is the What a Peach lipstick, and it's in this packaging, and it says on the inside here, it has, you can see on the inside here it says I love Lucy, and then it has her face on it. And these right here, they're not gems, they're just kind of exposed, like exposed metal, like divots, but it still looks really pretty. So and this lipstick is probably the most creamiest lipstick I've ever felt in my life. I really don't like these lashes at all. You can't really see the look that I did. Okay, so I have these 120s from Ardell, and it came in like this like big giant kit, and I'm gonna try those. So I'm gonna plop these off real quick. Because I'm not gonna wear them for very long. I only put stuff on the inner corner and the outer corner. But let's put on these 120s. Okay, so these lashes are much, much better. Those ones, I don't know what I would wear them for, but I don't think I would wear them. These ones I would actually, like, I like the way that these look. They just kind of look super natural and fluttery and very appropriate for what we're trying to go for. So the blush that I'm going to take is something I kind of wanted to match the lips a little bit. And this is a blush by Note, and it is Desert Rose. And I think I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I've actually really been enjoying it. I've had it for a little while. And I'm going to take some of this and... Whoa, Bubba. I feel like they did wear quite a bit of blush back then, but that doesn't bother me because I like blush anyway. Sometimes I feel like people don't wear enough blush. All right. So with that, this is the I Love Lucy Makeup with History from Besame Cosmetics, Club Babalu. What is it actually? So this is the Club Babalu palette that we just did a look with. And then we have the face powder. And then I have What a Peach lipstick. So this is the things that I played with today. If you guys did want to get a palette of one of these, go ahead and watch the previous video that I did about this collection. And without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it. And I'll just have to say goodbye to you guys right now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.